My name is Sammy. I'm an interior designer by profession. I run a company called Posa Interiors. My take home, we were challenged one day by, it was Waithaka. He said that you are the enemy of your own business. Why? And this quote of self-employment really came up. And it's a problem, if not to many interior designers, maybe to me. You find that you are the designer, you want to project manage, you want to make sure everything goes, you are everywhere. And he challenged us and said, mentor someone. You are not growing because you have not taught other people to think the way you think. And for me, that was quite a challenge. And my take home is, I will mentor others so that as I look for business, as I share my vision to others, they can run with it for the sake of the growth of my business. Thank you so much.